So we are going to be learning about our elements of art. Make sure you put your name at the top of your paper and circle your class code. It is best for you to use a pencil or a crayon for this. I chose a marker just so you could see everything really well. So let's go ahead and make some different lines inside of the box that says line. Go ahead and fill those with different kinds of lines. Where it says shape, above geometric, I want you to write the word name, and above organic, I want you to write no name, because geometric shapes are shapes with a name, like a triangle, a circle, a square, a rectangle, a hexagon, a heart, lots of different things. And organic shapes don't have a name, and they're kind of made up. They're kind of like a big blob or a cloud. So draw a couple of those shapes. So we should know our color families. You'll need to use some different crayons for this. So remember, your primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. You can put those in whatever order you would like. It doesn't matter. Your secondary colors are purple, green, and orange. Again, those can go in whatever color order you would like. For your neutral colors, we don't talk about these very often. One circle can actually say white because that's a neutral color. You'll want to do gray, brown, and black. And different kinds of tans and browns are also neutral colors as well. So for texture, you have two different types. You have visual texture, which is texture you draw. So things could look bumpy, they could look rough, they could look fluffy, they could be smooth. It's up to you. You can draw a couple of different textures there. That one's kind of spiky. And then tactile texture is the texture you can actually touch. So there's lots of ways you can do that. But the most fun way for this is to take a pencil and poke a hole through your paper, and then you've got some tactile texture there. It's kind of neat. For form, these are 3D shapes basically. So I'm teaching you how to draw a cube right here. So start with a square, make another square inside of it, and then connect the corners of that, and you have just made a cube. You could make a pyramid by drawing a triangle and then a line behind it and connecting it. You can make a cylinder by making an oval, two straight lines on the side, and another oval. And there's lots of other forms, but those are kind of the more simple ones that we can draw. For value, you're showing a color going from light to dark or dark to light, so don't push very hard with your pencil or your crayon, and then push a little bit harder. For space, it depends on how big something is. So if something is closer to you, it's going to be a little bit bigger. If it's further away, it's going to be a little bit smaller. So I'm going to draw two different examples here. You don't have to draw both. You can just draw one. So I drew two people, or you could do this example where it's kind of like it's supposed to be a road or a sidewalk, and then I'm drawing some trees on the sides, and the ones that are closer to me are bigger, and the ones that are further away from me are getting smaller.